Yo guys, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Fablis. Hari ni kita react video tentang Nikokado Avocado making me mentally tired for straight 5 minutes. So, dia ni seorang mukbangers yang buat video tentang makanan for living, makanan. Okay. So, dia ni at first when he was vegan, dia memang okay, makan semua, makan healthy stuff. You know, when he talk with the fans, it's really nice. So when he go after vegan, when he was done with the vegan stuff, that's where the problem really starts. So yeah, let's react to it.
Okay, but I would also put up with the arrogance because I was brain dead.
Apa benda dia buat?
You also promised me you wouldn't cheat and you still did it anyways.
I did
dia
it.
keluar hingus pula.
Call the police. Get what you fucking deserve. Oh, it's my flip.
Padan
Charlie.
Garbage.
He's so tame.
It's not noodle.
Why?
Like I had to abandon my child in a
Look at that.
third world
Okay, dia
country.
cerita pasal noodle tu, maksud dia
Not noodle.
yang ni Nikokado ni, dia cerita pasal noodle ni.
So
Dia punya burung lama dia lah. So dia maybe
There's a lady
dia
behind
tinggal
me
lah. Aku tak
feeding
ingat apa benda dia buat dengan burung dia.
She's feeding the stray cats. Don't feed the. Stop feeding the cats. Stop feeding the cats.
What?
Stop feeding the cat! No! Feeding the stray kids! No! Don't feed the cats! She's feeding the cats! You can see her feeding the cats! No!
Oh my.
And I'm too fat for my seatbelt. I'm too fat for my seatbelt.
Fat Alice.
There's no excuse.
Apa jadi dengan dia Lepas dia masuk, eating, fast food, dia makin lama makin teruk tau. Dia bukan makin bagus. Kalau tengok video dia sekarang, aku letak link dia punya channel nanti kat description, korang boleh tengok. Setiap kali video dia mesti ada dislike berlambat gila nak mati. So aku pelik, lepas dia go after vegan, lepas dia habis dengan vegan punya makanan, dia go fast food, makin lama makin teruk perangai dia. Tak tahu kenapa dengan dia. Dia dengan dia punya boyfriend lah, Orlin.
No excuse.
Tapi boyfriend tu okay. Dia ni,
There's
Allah.
water. I thought there would be water in it. You guys, how am I gonna get a brain? You know what I'm gonna brain is? I'm gonna get a hemorrhoid. Brain in my head. Yeah, I was lucky I was still alive because of the accident. I'm just devastated. I just can't even get anything together. Everything seems everything seems so hard for me. And I don't even have a record.
It's so hard to not laugh at this, but I understand his feeling. Dia mentally breakdown. But when he makes this kind of stuff and then put out there in the YouTube, people gonna laugh. But why he done like this?
Regular trains, wibbly wobbly. I don't know where my chips are. Chips. Where are my chips? I want my chips. Give me my chips. I just want my chips. I'm back home. Shoo-be-doo. I'm home. Hello. We're back home. Shoo-be-doo. No, 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 no. Hi. I'm having another story time today. We're having beautiful, because I'm perfect. We have the perfect setup of food. Oh. Get out the way. Ouch.
Benda tu.
My nipples. Ouch. My nipples. We are gonna cook this up because I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. Popeye's chicken sandwich. Popeye's chicken sandwich. Popeye's chicken sandwich.
Why?
Popeye's chicken sandwich. No! 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 Can you see me? Hurry up! Hurry up! I'm hungry! Hurry up! Jeez. Is it crispy? Is it crispified? No. Why did it stop? I broke it.
Apa benda nangis macam tu? Why?
Mr. Noodle was cute.
Like he doesn't want to drop it.
Yeah, but Mr. Noodle did that too.
Oh, who dropped it?
Okay guys. Aku cakap disclaimer awal. Jangan ikut cara dia ni kalau nak buat mukbang video. Apa nak jadi dengan budak? Aduh, budak pula orang sekarang ni. Makin lama makin teruk. They will do anything for get views. Nowadays people like that. So yeah. That's all for now. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Korang boleh comment down below anything you wanna suggest for me to watch for next video. You can tell me at the comment down below. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.